All right, folks, here is an Ethereum trade update. Today is going to be the 16th of December. We did get the green dot print last week, so this is a good sign. You can see that every time this dot has came here, all the way back here since 2023, you can even go back even further, go all the way back here to 2022, the last 3 years. Okay, you can see this was a good time to be buying Ethereum, good time to be buying Ethereum, good time to be buying Ethereum. Okay, you can see we bounced right on that 200 EMA right there and popped. Okay, those dots came back there in September of 2023. These ones came here in September of 2024. That was at 2,400, popped all the way up to 4,000, and then sold all the way off here in April. This is when the tariffs were just absolutely wrecking everybody. People were panic selling down here because of the Donald J. Trump tariffs. You can see you could have bought Ethereum back here at 1,600 back in April. So we did call this signal out the other day. I've seen some comments. You guys are saying that the signal was false. But guys, we trade a weekly chart here. Okay, weekly and monthly charts. Those are the two we mainly like to focus on, along with the daily and the 4-hour, but primarily the longer time frame. So if you're trading a weekly chart, we don't go from here, right? We don't go down here from 1,600 all the way up to 5,000 overnight. It doesn't happen in 1 week. It doesn't happen in a couple days. It takes time, right? This signal came here. Look at this. And again, everything I do, guys, is based on data. I don't ever try to blow smoke at you guys. I'm just showing you what the chart data says over the last, I mean, you can come all the way back here for the last 3 years. We could even zoom it all the way out back here to 2018 if you want to. But I think the last 3 years is a good amount of data to go off of. Okay, and you can see just on the chart, every time we were down here, besides right here in February 2022, that was the bull trap. Okay, but the bull trap normally happens when we're off of the EMA. The EMA is right here. That's the 4-year average, that blue line. So you can see how it comes back down into it, pops, came back down into it, got below it right there. If you guys bought in April, we were buying around 2,000 in April. We sold it around 4 to 4,400. But now that we got our signal again, we're wanting to load up. So again, everyone's panicking about this little red candle right here. If you zoom in to the 4-hour, we were lower than this back here on December 1st. We're lower than the prices we were. So we're actually putting in a higher low at the moment. I'm very bullish on Ethereum, very bullish on altcoins still, folks. Again, it doesn't happen overnight when you trade the macro time frames. Okay, the macro time frames, the signals on the weekly and the monthly are the most accurate. Again, it doesn't happen overnight. Once again, this came back here in April. Okay, April 1,600. Again, you guys can see it on the chart. I can't make the numbers up. I can't make it up. And it went all the way up to 5,000 in August. So do the math. April, May, June, July, August. That's 5 months. Our typical trade time frame is for 1 to 6 months out.